FreshBooks Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing the FreshBooks Affiliate Program, a great opportunity for affiliates to earn commissions by promoting one of the leading cloud-based accounting solutions for small businesses and freelancers. Links to the program and products are in the description, so be sure to check them out. FreshBooks is widely known for its user-friendly accounting software, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and financial reporting, making it an ideal choice for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners who need an easy way to manage their finances. The FreshBooks Affiliate Program is free to join and offers an impressive commission structure. Affiliates earn $5 per free trial sign-up and $55 per paid subscription, which is a strong payout compared to many other SaaS affiliate programs. The cookie duration is 120 days, giving you a great window to convert leads into customers. FreshBooks also provides detailed tracking, promotional materials, and dedicated affiliate support to help maximize earnings. One of the major advantages of promoting FreshBooks is its strong market appeal. Unlike complex accounting software like QuickBooks, FreshBooks is simple, intuitive, and designed specifically for non-accountants. It automates invoicing, integrates with payment gateways, and provides seamless expense tracking, making it an essential tool for freelancers, consultants, agencies, and small businesses looking to streamline their finances. The platform also integrates with Stripe, PayPal, G Suite, and over 100 other apps, making it highly versatile. This affiliate program is best suited for finance bloggers, business coaches, digital marketers, and content creators who have an audience in need of simple, effective accounting tools. Whether you're targeting freelancers, entrepreneurs, or small businesses, FreshBooks is an easy sell due to its affordability, ease of use, and excellent customer support. With a long cookie duration, high commissions, and a trusted brand, this program is definitely worth considering if you're in the finance, business, or SaaS niche. If you're ready to start earning, check out the links in the description and sign up today.